Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Oracle, that is Oracle version 26 AI on Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can download and install Oracle SQL Developer so that you get a proper GUI interface where you can start working on your SQL programming. So this video is going to be a bit long, but I can guarantee you if you watch this video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. So for that, first you need to go to your favorite browser and to type over here Oracle database download. Hit enter. So simply go to the official site of Oracle. Once when you are here, and to scroll down, and you can see that our Oracle database is available for Linux and Windows. So this link I am going to provide right on our video description. Here, depending upon what operating system you are using, you need to proceed with that. I'll just simply click on this Oracle database free for Windows zip file. So you can see it is rightly started downloading. File size is about 1.3 gigabyte. So it's a big file. It's going to take a couple of minutes. Let's wait to get it downloaded. So here you can see that it is rightly downloaded. Just click on this folder. Here is our Oracle 26 AI rightly downloaded. You can see the file size. So first I need to extract this. So right click and click on extract all and click on extract. You can see that it is rightly extracted over here. So go inside and you will get all files and folders over here. So all you need to do is now is you need to double click on this setup.exe. That going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And you can minimize your browser and your directory as well. And there you go. This is our Oracle 26 AI installation wizard. Click on next. You need to accept this license agreement and click on next. This is where our Oracle 26 AI is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. And this is the most important part. Here you need to type your database password and need to remember this password. So whatever you are giving over here, you have to remember that to log in into your database. So don't forget this password. So give something that you can remember and click on next. And hit install. That's going to immediately start installing our Oracle. So this installing Oracle will take some time. Let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. And during installation, it's going to ask you to provide this permission so that firewall do not block Java. So click on allow. And there you go. You can see that our Oracle AI database is rightly installed. So just simply click on finish. So now that our Oracle is now rightly installed, let's invoke our SQL Plus. So just search over here and type SQL Plus. So that will show you SQL Plus over here. Click on that. Here it is rightly opened. Here to provide your username. So our username will be system. You type system and your password will be the password that you have given while installing Oracle. Remember, I have told you to remember that. So just type that exact same one. That's going to be not shown over here, but as you press on your keyboard, it will be typed. Nothing to worry, just type your password and hit enter after that, and bingo, you are now connected. And now you can run your SQL queries. So let's create a very simple table called create table employee, and let's give ID as a column of integer, and let's give another column name called name of varchar of 255 characters. Just end with semicolon and hit enter. And bingo, you can see our table created. So that's how install latest version of Oracle 26 AI, and if you want to use it on SQL Plus, you can start working on your SQL programming right over here. But I'll recommend you to use their beautiful GUI interface, that is SQL Developer. So let's see how you can download that and install, and you can start working on your SQL programming right over there. So go to your favorite browser, open a new tab and just simply type SQL Developer download. Here to click on Oracle SQL Developer. That's going to redirect to this page. This link also I'm going to provide right on our video description. Here to scroll down and you will get this Windows 64-bit that also includes JDK 17. So this is what you need to download. So click on this. That's going to immediately start downloading your SQL Developer. Let's wait for a few seconds over here. And our SQL Developer is now directly downloaded. Click on this folder. Here you can see this is our SQL Developer and the file size is 558 MB. So once downloaded, you need to extract it. So right click and click on extract all. Click on extract. And here you can see that it is rightly extracted over here. So go inside that folder. You will get SQL Developer folder. Again, go inside and you will see all files and folders over here. So all you need to do is you need to go a directory back and you need to select this folder, right click and cut this folder and go to your C drive and just simply right click and paste that folder. There it is. Now you go inside, you will get scroll down and you will get this SQL Developer over here. So just double click on it. That's going to launch our SQL Developer. So here it is rightly opening. And it has rightly opened. So here you can just simply click on OK and you can maximize this. So this is the interface of our Oracle SQL Developer. So let's see how I can connect it. So you can click on this plus icon and you can provide a name. I'll just give a name called Oracle 26AI. You can give any name over here. This is just what you will be saving credentials that you are giving. So give any name you want and then in username, that is very important, into type system, and then in password into type that exact password that I have told you to remember while installing Oracle 26AI. So I'm going to type that password. Hope you have remembered that same password. That is what you need to provide over here. You can check this save password and after that you can just simply click on test. But you can see that it is showing some error. It is basically telling that SID_XE is not registered with the listener at host port 1521. So that is happening because this SID for XE is not registered for this Oracle that we are using, that is Oracle 26AI. So how to find this SID? For that you can go to search and type CMD to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type SNL or CTL then status, hit enter. So that's going to give you the status of listener for this port 1521 and you can see all these different services, right? So from here we are going to use this free one. Just double click on and copy, or you can type that also, totally your wish. So here in SID you need to just paste that SID that you are just basically copying it from here, or you can manually type it, totally your wish. And after that you click on test and bingo, success. So now you can click on connect and you are connected to your Oracle database. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly write a simple SQL program and show you how you can run them on SQL Developer. So here is very simple create table command to create your table employee with all this table column. You can see employee ID, first name, last name, email ID and hire date. So select this and click on this run button and you can see that our table employees is created. Let's insert some values to our table. So we are going to select all this and going to click on this run button and you can see that it is showing some error. So what it basically says is literal does not match the format string. So that is because we in SQL or Oracle SQL rather, we can't just directly put date like this. So we need to put it in to date format. So I'm going to just do that quickly. So now you select all of these and you click on this run button and you can see all these rows are now inserted. So now as you do select start from employees and click on this run button and bingo, you are going to get that output on your console. So whatever is there on your table employees is properly fetched. So that's how you install Oracle SQL Developer. You can start working your SQL programming right on SQL Developer. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script and join our community. That's going to really help me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.